The turnout of this event was really very impressive. You know, over 500 people attended, all of whom are incredibly interested in how to apply SharePoint in their environment. And so for people to take a full day of their time and invest to really dig in and learn what the product really is all about and how they can apply it in their organization is significant. So clearly there's a lot of value in events like these. An event like this, it brings together so many different customers that have so many different needs. And so if I was a Microsoft partner, I'd want to attend an event like this because customers need the expertise that the partner has in order to actually really apply it in their organization. You know, QuickStart does a great job ultimately in training the user community on what these technologies do. But so often customers don't have the bandwidth or the staff to be able to apply everything that they want to apply. And so partners really bring in that core expertise that customers need and want to light this technology up. Right after my keynote, I had a customer come up to me and he was asking me further questions about his environment. And he came up and he had a full architectural rendering of how he was thinking about applying these technologies. The first question he asked me was, is there a partner here I can work with so I can really understand now, with the architecture that I have, how do I apply these technologies for my best advantage? Whenever you have a gathering of customers, it's really important for a variety of different types of partners to join. Some customers have needs around systems integration. Some customers have needs around specific applications that somebody else has already built. It could be a vertical application, or it could be a horizontal application that makes a product like SharePoint, you know, come alive. So an ISV partner, this is very appropriate for. A systems integrator partner, it's very appropriate for. But I also think that from a LAR point of view, many LARs would benefit as well. Partially because a lot of the customers that the LARs have may be already here, so it's a good opportunity for the LARs to continue to build and reinforce their relationships, but partly because there's a lot of customers that are here that don't have a LAR of choice, and I also think that would be advantageous for them. When you start thinking about cloud technologies, how do you think about security now in this broader environment that goes beyond just my four walls? How do you think about the regulatory environment that you're in? And then subsequently, how does that inform what I choose to do in the cloud? What do I continue to choose to run on-premise in my own private cloud? And what might I want some other provider to provide? How do I think about latency and network availability? There's a number of different questions because cloud computing still is so nascent. And so an event like this will allow customers to really go, I think, deeper in educating themselves on what cloud technologies are, number one. And then number two, what are the things that they need to consider to implement? And then number three, what are the ramifications of those implementation choices? QuickStart Intelligence is an outstanding partner for us in the West region. They're a gold certified partner as part of the Microsoft Partner Program. And we continue to partner very effectively with QuickStart to deliver not only quality education, but also events like this one here, where they're bringing a deep degree of knowledge and expertise to our customer community so that customers really can understand and take advantage of the technologies that we offer. When you think about the content that a customer or a partner will be exposed to during the course of a day, the availability of that knowledge in a single location that someone can invest 8 hours of their day, the ROI that they'll get out of this conference is significant. Because of the variability of the tracks, there's something here for absolutely everybody. And I had one of our partners actually come up and say to me, I have a challenge because there's so many different tracks I want to attend. I think I should have sent more people to the SharePoint Intelligence Conference.